Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rukia Turdush and I'm ethnic Uyghur and I'm Uyghur Canadian. I would like to ask all of my friends all around the world to join Never Again campaign to stop not allow rebirth again Nazi concentration camp. Because today the Chinese government established all over the East Turkestan the Nazi-style concentration camp. The East Turkestan that Uyghurs' historical land and historical country that colonized by China in 1955. We all know that 1933 Nazi German established a concentration camp throughout territories it controlled during the Second World War and before the Second World War, imprisoned so-called racially undesirable people such as Jewish and the Romans. And today, the Uyghurs' ethnic identity and religious identity become undesirable for the Chinese government, and they put more than 500,000 people starting last year into those kind of concentration camps, and none of them were released. We just recently learned some of the Chinese government workers who work inside the camp that Uyghurs were badly treated in the camp. Every day, 1 or 2 dead bodies released because they're dying in the Nazi-style concentration camp due to deliberately maltreatment, disease, starvation, or overwork, or badly tortured by the Chinese officials because they did not want to comply China's policy inside the camp that eliminating Uyghurs' ethnic identity and Uyghurs' religious identity. So they were tortured and killed. We don't know what's happening to other people. We could not directly contact with them. And all of the Uyghurs have some family members and relatives in those kind of concentration camp. More than 8 months, we could not contact with them. And we're very afraid that Chinese government exterminate all of them, and turning those kind of Nazi-style concentration camp to extermination camp maybe soon if we don't call to stop China. That's why I would like to ask everyone to join this campaign, to join Never Again campaign, because we should not allow rebirth again Nazi concentration camp in today's world. It's not acceptable. Never again. We should put demand and pressure to Chinese government, shut down all of Nazi-style concentration camp and release Uyghurs immediately. We should not allow Nazi concentration camp. Never again. Never again. Thank you. Please join my video through your video speech and the Twitter messages. Thank you very much, my friends.